Naturally, as the D750 is an SLR, there's also an optical viewfinder for composing images. This isn't the brightest that I've used, but it's still pretty good and it covers 100% of the field of view, so there shouldn't be any nasty surprises around the edges of the frame. If time and subject permits, however, I recommend using live view when focusing manually. In summary, the controls on the D750 are generally logically ranged and within easy reach, but Nikon could do with applying a little more thought to the use of the eye and info controls. It also seems that video is finally finding a more comfortable position within a stills camera. Autofocus. 51 point f, 15 cross type f points. 11 cross type f points at f/8. Group area f mode. Nikon has given the D750 a new multicam 3502 autofocus f module, an updated version of the one in the D810. This has 51 f points, 15 of which are the more sensitive cross type and 11 that operate down to f/8, which is especially useful for photographers who want to use an extender with their telephoto lenses. As in the D810, the new group area f mode is available to help when shooting subjects that are comparatively small and against a high contrast or distracting background. The f performs superbly when matched with a decent lens. When using a Nikon 70 to 200mm f/2.8, for example, it gets subjects sharp incredibly quickly and is capable of tracking the subject around the frame when the appropriate mode is selected. The fact that it's sensitive down to 3f means that it's also useful in low light conditions, and in many situations it still manages to latch on to subjects quickly.